Okay, we've just gone through the automated tunnel, the things at Eurotunnel. We're just going to go park up, waiting for the train to take us. Tunnel to see if we can get on straight because it says G loading. Obviously not yet. Would you? Okay, we're just looking now at passport control. Okay, we're just waiting now to go through passport control. Left border control now, and we're heading for the train, and it's signposted for us, which is coach and motorcycle. So having never been before, I'll go on those lanes. We've just gone through vehicle control and they just sent us up lane 1. Mission to board, and it looks like we're going to go by lane off to our right. We'll put the helmet cam on. Let's have a quick look around at the lanes, and that's where we're heading for, where you can probably see the buses going over the bridge. There we go. about to board the Tunnel train. And we're on. By this rate, looks like we'll be riding to England. See if we can get Chris. And I think we're it. We're here. We're on. A quick look round the train. Yeah, we're on. We're looking down now towards the trains, and we're just about to go onto the down ramp. It's 12:34. Spot on now. We're due to leave at 12:48, depending on how long it takes to load. So we're going to be following a line of traffic in. Check the camera's still on, yep. We're going to be, where they're pointing us now. We've got a bit of a wait now, I think. We'll turn it off. And we're off. Job done. 45-minute crossing. Very smooth, no problems. It's just about an hour of getting out the other side. And the bike in front is just going to Heathrow to load up, and they're off to South America to the start of a 3-year around the world trip. And true to form, it's raining in England. Can't do too fast because I've got a problem with one of the bikes. Yep, and it is raining.